Hi everyone, it's Rachel Crate, also known as Great Crate Makeup, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something very exciting. As you can tell, I have my Elsa Glam all done up, and I used the ColourPop Frozen 2 eyeshadow palette from the Elsa collection, obviously, and I'm going to go into detail on how I got this look for you guys. And of course, I used her lipstick. I did go ahead and just put that on so that it was ready, and it matches the eyeshadow really well. So if you have any questions, keep watching and see if it gets answered for you, and if it doesn't, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. Let's get started. So first I'm going to take my crease brush from e.l.f., which I always use, and I am going to lightly dip that into Spindrift, which is this color here. And then I'm just gonna sweep that in the crease. So just bring in a little here. Tap it into the outer corner. Alright, now I'm going to take a fluffy crease brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to do little circular motions, very, very light on the brush, kind of just sweeping motions and circles as I get more on the outside here. And I will skip ahead because blending takes a while. I do find that the more patient you are, the better it comes out. It is worth the wait. Alright, so now that I have gone ahead and fluffed out that purple shade there, I'm going to take my fluffy brush, again, the same one that I was using for blending, and I'm going to dip it into Gale, this lighter shimmery purple shade here, and I just want to go over the top part here, up towards the brow bone, just doing little sweeping motions across. So just blending out that deeper purple with this lighter purple here. And then I want to make sure that I'm not losing that depth in the crease on the outside corner there. So I will take Spindrift again with my little brush and just tap it into that outer corner and into that crease in the outer corner there. And then of course, taking my fluffy brush again, lightly fluffing that out. Okay, so now that I am satisfied with the blend there, I'm going to cut the crease, which is something that makes me a little nervous, but that's okay. So I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo, which is just white. And now it does have its own built-in brush, but I don't like to use it just because I prefer my smaller concealer brush. So I'll just tap right into the base, and then I'm going to put it right on my lid. I'll look up, and that kind of sets that spot there, so I will cut it up towards that spot there. Okay, so we'll zoom in on that so that you can see. Close my eye too. So as you can tell, I pulled the concealer up. I tried to keep it as clean of a line as possible on the part there, and then I brought it to the edge here, and then of course I'll blend in that deep purple as well again, but I'm gonna pack on some other shades first, which I will explain as I go. Okay, so I have gone ahead and cut the other crease. I'll just zoom in on there for you so you can see. Okay, I want to take the Morphe M124, which is just a regular kind of eyeshadow brush here, and I'm going to go into the shade Water, which is the blue shade there. Just lightly tap into it, and then I'm just going to bring it into that outer part of the crease that I cut and just tap it in there. Okay, now I will go ahead and just lightly, very lightly dip that brush, the fluffy brush, in Spindrift again. So I can kind of pull that in to the blue. I actually want to bring the blue forward a little bit more. I did say that I was just gonna wing it, so no surprise there. So now what I want to do is I want to take that same flat Morphe brush, M124. I'm going to dip it into Cuddle Close, which is our shimmery white shade up here. And I'm going to fill in the rest of this cut crease in the front with that nice shimmery white shade that has that nice pink shift to it. And while I'm doing so, I will be pulling it a little bit into the blue, just so that there's not really a harsh line there. I absolutely love that, and I'll zoom in on that for you. As you can hopefully see on camera that there is a pink shift to the white shade Cuddle Close. And I love it. It's so cute. Here's for the fun part. I want to take the pressed glitter, which is called Flurry, and that's the shade right in the middle there. Pack that right in the spot where I put the Cuddle Close shade, which is that white with the pink shift. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'll zoom in so you can see it. So that is the pressed glitter in that inner corner there. Well, on the spot where the white shadow was. Okay, so now I'm going to take a smudge brush here, and I'm going to go into Spindrift again. And I am just going to smudge that lower lash line with that. Then I'll take Gale, which was that lighter purple, and I'll just bring that in underneath. Smudge that out as well. Okay, so now that we have all the eyeshadow done, I'm going to go ahead and put some black eyeliner on my waterline, and then I will put on some mascara, and then we should have our finished look, which I'm excited to show you. Okay, well, there you have it. I went ahead and I put on some Perversion mascara from Urban Decay, and I put on their 24/7 waterline eyeliner on the top waterline, and then I put on the NYX Faux White and Baby Powder liner on the bottom waterline. And I will go ahead and zoom in a little so you can get a good view of the finished look. So, I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial today using Elsa's palette from the ColourPop Frozen 2 collection. I had so much fun doing this look. I actually really like it, and I didn't think that I wouldn't like it, but I like it a lot more than I was expecting to, honestly. I feel like I don't want to take this off now. I want to wear this forever. So as always, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment, share, tell your friends, and as always, follow me on Instagram at gr8kr8_makeup. That's Great Crate Makeup. It will always say it in the bio. And be sure to subscribe so you can hear about it first when I do the Anna tutorial using her eyeshadow palette. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!